You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. It's very in the news now, so you need to learn how to pronounce it. Interestingly, the etymology, it means conclave. If you speak Spanish, it means with a key, which essentially means that it's a very private meeting and that it's all locked up with a key, conclave. So, in English it's not pronounced conclave, but conclave. Conclave, British English pronunciation. Conclave, stress on the first syllable. The Americans say it similarly, a bit more conclave, probably. Conclave. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.